Alright, what we got here today is a Acer Ultima Model 3VK. It's going to come with the 6-inch mill vise that you see in the video here. It's going to come with a set of collets and a Jacobs, and that's a brand new Jacobs drill chuck, Model 14N ball bearing. It's going to be brand new. So you're bidding on the machine, the vise, set of collets, and the Jacobs 14N drill chuck. As you can see, this is the machine. It's the original paint. We didn't touch it up. We didn't do anything to it. This is a clean machine. Came out of a tool making shop. It's just gorgeous. Runs good. So I'm going to go ahead and run it for you. I'm going to let you see it actually running, and then I'm going to stop the video. I'll make another video of it actually cutting that piece that's sitting on the table. The cutter in the video does not come with it, so I just want to be clear that the cutter does not come with it. See, the brake works good. As you can hear, it runs absolutely beautiful. Brake works great. Put her in low. Back in high, I'll show you the feeds working real quick. I don't know if you can see this rod spinning or not. Look in the video here. See, it's 3 different speeds work beautiful. Look at the quill, it is absolutely gorgeous. Just very nice looking quill on here. And knocks off nicely. So I'm going to go ahead and conclude this video with that. And then I'm going to go ahead and actually show you the machine running and cutting this piece of steel. The readouts are newels. They work just fine. And so I'm going to go ahead at this point here. I'm going to stop the video. I'll make another one of it cutting this part, and then we will call that a day.